All right, we're going to look at section 6 and specifically here aldehydes and ketones. First thing is, what is an aldehyde? And aldehydes are one hydrogen attached to a carbonyl group. A carbonyl group is a C double bonded to an O. So looking at an aldehyde, looking at the C double bond O, some other carbon chain, and then an H on the end. When you name an aldehyde, they're always on the end, so it takes precedence. It'll always be the first carbon. All you do is replace Al with whatever is on the originally would have been on the end. So let's look at formaldehyde, which is also called methanol. You see the Al on the end there, okay? That means that we're looking at HCH double bonded with a carbonyl with the O there. Okay, it's a methyl, so it's one carbon. It's an aldehyde, it's methanol. Okay, benzaldehyde will look something like this. I have my benzene ring. Okay. Then off of the benzene ring, I'm going to have a carbon double bond to an O and then an H. That's benzaldehyde. Looking at 3-hydroxypropanol, propanol being 3. So I'm going to have 3 carbons. The first one here, the one looks like it's on the end, is a double bonded with an O. That is the Al part. The 3-hydroxy, I count 1, 2, 3, and I put an OH group on the end. Ketones. Ketones are 2 carbons attached to a carbonyl carbon. So you have an RCR double bonded to an O. Naming ketones, they get ONE on the end. And then you try and figure out whichever one is the lowest number, and that's what that gets. It is now the higher precedence. Okay, so we're going to look at 3 examples. We're going to look at acetone, okay, which is actually a common name, obviously. Okay, we're looking instead at CH3CCH3. Double bonded to an O. That is acetone, which should actually be prop. Okay, so it'd be propanone. And it's going to be 2-propanone. So it tells you that that carbonyl carbon here is on my second one. If I have 3-chloro-2-pentanone, that means I'm going to have 5. So I have 5 carbons, and that carbonyl group is on the second one. And I have a chloro group on the third one. So I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. The one is on the second one. The chloro is on the third one. If I have 3-ethyl cyclohexanone, that means I have a cyclohexane, a 6-sided ring. I have the double bonded O there on the first one. Then I count 1, 2, 3, and I have my ethyl group of CH2, CH3.